Alright, how's it going? Jazz and I are heading out for a quick walk, see if we can find some pheasants. It's pretty hot out right now, it's probably 75 degrees, it's gonna get close to 80. But figured I might as well take Jazz for a walk out in the pheasant field and see if we can find any. So, see you guys out there.
There's a bird, Jazz. Huh? Psst, psst. Come on. Sorry, honey. Can't believe I missed that.
Alright, Jasmine and I ended up with one pheasant for the day. Not bad for a quick hour and a half out there. It was pretty hot, it was almost 80 degrees, so didn't want to keep Jazz out there too long. We really were only going out there for a quick walk, and if we got into some birds, we got into some birds. We found this one, and I'm pretty sure she found a second one when she rounded that corner, but I'm not entirely sure. There were some robins there, so I don't know if she saw a robin in the path and she thought it was a pheasant and charged it, or it was actually a pheasant. I couldn't hear over the wind, so gonna get this bird processed up. Jasmine and I are gonna be going out in a couple more days, hopefully with some other people this time. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so it's been about a week since we got that last bird. Jazz and I have gone out a couple times. One of the times was when we got the 4 teal, if you guys saw that video, and another time we got skunked. We're in the same place that we got that bird last week. Just gonna do an hour or two long walk around, see if we can find something. I know, hold on. It's a lot cooler today, only 63 degrees compared to the 78 or whatever it was last week. So Jazz should be a little bit more active going out into this. I'm just gonna get ready and I'll see you guys out there. Hopefully we have some action.
Dead bird! Don't know if I killed that one. Better find it. There's a bird, Jess! Where's Jess? Dead bird! Didn't even know she was on one. Good girl, Jazz. Good girl. Good girl. You got the birdie? Good girl. Our streak of nothing but roosters continues. Good girl. Hit the bird. Nice. Birds this year, beautiful. They all have long tails, nice colors. Sweet. Well, that's one. Messed him up a little bit. Shot him up, but that's all right. Hit the birdie. Hit the birdie. Huh? I'll hold him for a second. Huh? You get that bird. You get that bird. You get that birdie. Huh? Did you get him? All right, drop. Oh yeah. Shot up that side real good. All right, Jazz, let's find a second.
All right, another morning and another pheasant rooster. There were quite a few birds getting put up this morning. That's the only rooster that I saw, but I saw 3 other birds get put up and missed by the people that put them up. One of them was too close to the road to pursue it, and the other 2 went on the other side of a creek that was covered in thick, thorny brush, so I wasn't going to be able to get to it easily. But ended up with a bird and was only out there for about an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour. So can't complain about that. Dan, his father, and I are heading out in a couple more days to a private hunt club that they're a part of, and they can bring a guest on, and I'll be that guest for the day with Jasmine. I'm not entirely sure what to expect, but hopefully we have some luck, and I'll see you guys then.
Get him, Jess. Where's he? Go get him. Go get him. Where's Jess? There's a bird. Where'd you go, Jess? Where is he? girl, dead bird. Right here, Jess. Over here. Right in there. Fetch. Dead bird. Fetch. Go get him. There you go. You got her. Good girl. Good girl. Come. Bring her up. Bring her up. Good girl, Jasmine. Good girl. Come here. You got birdie? Huh? You got birdie? All right, drop. Drop. Good girl. All right. First hen that Jasmine's flushed up all season. And we got her, huh? She's not huge, but it's a pretty one. Nice colors on her. Nice long tail. Good girl, Jazz. I knew there was a bird here, huh? You were telling me there was a bird here, but I couldn't figure out where it was, huh? Oh, sorry, Jazz. I couldn't see it. I'm coming. I'm coming. God damn it. Come on. I'm sorry, honey.
All right, another day, another pheasant in the bag. I'm starting to notice that there's more pheasants this year, or at least it seems like there's more pheasants this year than last year anyway. Pretty much every time we go out, Jazz and I find at least one bird. Today we found two. And actually on my walk out this morning from deer hunting, I spooked one out of the path, a different one because it was in a completely different area. Yeah, Dan and I are going to a private hunt club tomorrow that he's a member of, and I'm going as his guest. Supposedly there's pheasants and chucker there, so maybe we'll get into something a little bit different, but I guess we'll see. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
I had my camera and now there's a blind in like 3 different stands all within 100 yards of each other. It's like, what is going on? Oh yeah, Jazz, oh, Jazz, hey, Jasmine, come! Hey, Jazz, stay! Hey! Heel! Go ahead, let you get him. Heel!
This thing is going. Too fat and slow.
Come on, Jazz. Oh my God. Yeah, just shoot him. Shoot him. No, he's too far. Yeah. Don't fly yet, buddy. Get him, Jazz. Get the bird. Come on, Jazz. Oh. There's some birds at Jasmine. Huh? Yeah. We'll probably go around the left side and, oh, what are those? Ducks. Yeah, that pile's been there for a couple weeks now. Yeah, if you only have like one day a week to go hunting, I'd rather not be deer hunting.
Yeah, you just sit in the stand.
Yeah, I do it because I have multiple days a week.
Yeah.
But like back when I was in high school, didn't like deer hunting.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. He's on something here. What we got, Jazz? What are you doing? Oh, dead bird!
Third shot.
I was like, there's no way I'm letting this thing go again.
Go get it, Jess.
Got him. Good girl, she got it. Good girl, fetch. Good girl, you got the birdie? Hit the birdie. Drop, drop, drop. Stop, stop chewing on him. Nice, pretty one. Oh yeah, stone dead. Yeah.
That is a pretty bird.
See him?
Look at him. Wow. That is a pretty bird, dude.
That is.
Congrats.
Thank you. That's the first one I've gotten this year with
Look at
that
those
blue
feathers.
on his wings.
Yeah.
It's a pretty one.
Yeah, throw that bad boy in the game bag.
Yeah, right?
All right, so that's another pheasant rooster in the bag. We ended up finding one rooster out in that preserve that Dan's a part of. Unfortunately, he saw us first, and he was just running down the road and wouldn't go into the brush for us to catch up to him. I took a few shots at him at first, but he was a little far out there, so I'm not surprised that I missed. Unfortunately, the GoPro battery died before we got up to him the second time, but pretty much what happened was he was closer than where we thought he was. We expected him to have run down the paths like he did on the road there, but he didn't. So Jasmine found him pretty quick and put him back up. He was close when she put him up, but unfortunately, he was through some brush. We shot at him, but we missed. Weren't able to find him again. But we did some walking around a state-stocked area. Found this guy. Almost didn't get him too. Our shooting was not too great with him either, but I was able to knock him down on my third shot. So all right, I'm just gonna get this bird cleaned up, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. All right, so I've got two of the pheasants here, the boneless breasts and the thighs. I'm not gonna do anything real intricate with it today. Just gonna do it real simple. So I have some chicken seasoning from Cabela's and barbecue sauce. So just gonna spread some barbecue sauce all over it, brush it over, and then put some chicken rub over the top of it. And then I'm just gonna barbecue it on the grill. That barbecue sauce all spread on there. All right. Seasoning. Get the grill going. Yeesh. All right. Let that warm up for a second. Alright, turn the temperature down a little bit. Doesn't burn it. There you go. Alright, just leave them cooking on either side for a couple minutes. Keep flipping them until they're done. Alright, it's been 15 minutes maybe. And all the meat's done. Alright, there it is. I'm not gonna have any right now because I'm gonna save it all for my lunch and dinner. But, I mean, tastes like barbecue chicken really, with the exception of having some BBs in there. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you all in the next one.